Hi, I'm Brian, isang dating OFW from Dubai at nag-start lang ako dito sa OBA as part-time. Ngayon full-time na, nakauwi na for good at nabili na natin yung car natin at kumita na rin tayo ng total 4 million dahil kay OBA.
Hello everyone! By the way, I'm Christine Joy Teofilo, isa po akong teacher by profession. Ngayon kumikita na sa OBA ng 4.5 billion at nakapundar ng BYD Pickup.
Hello everyone, I'm John Roel Campos, dating car wash boy and sika driver for almost 5 years na dahil sa Online Business Academy. Ngayon ho, kumita na tayo ng almost 2 million and nakabili ng sarili nating Mitsubishi Strada.
Hello guys! Another great day. This is Carl Jason Mamak and I'm a dropout student na ginawa natin yung OB seryoso. Kumita tayo ng 2 million and nakabili ng ating first car, Nissan Navara.
Hello everyone! My name is Ruben Rolida, dating magsasaka. Ngayon kumikita dito sa Online Business Academy ng 1.2 million at nakabili na tayo ng Mazda GT50.